Let's dive into two breakthrough AI tools that are changing how we work with images and video. David from Microsoft and SEC, which is the latest in open source video object segmentation. First, David. This AI is all about extracting rich, 3D information from human images and video. Give David a picture of any person and it will predict 3 advanced features at once. The first is depth. David estimates how far every part of the body is from the camera, giving you a full 3D perspective from just a 2D photo. Second, David predicts surface normals, which means it figures out the direction of every point on the body. These are essential for understanding how a surface faces the world, from cheeks to forehead to hands. Third, David segments the human from the background with remarkable precision, handling tricky edges like strands of hair or the outline of fingers with almost pixel-perfect masks. This makes David far more powerful than traditional masking tools. Instead of spending minutes or hours trying to cleanly select a person in Photoshop, David finishes the job in seconds and catches every detail. If you're working with video, David works on every frame with the same high accuracy. Whether the person is moving, the camera is shaky, or there are lots of accessories and props involved, segmentation stays crisp. In one example, a person wears a VR headset, but the model still segments the figure perfectly, including cables and props. Even when a woman is moving in a video with messy hair or complex background, David keeps the silhouette sharp and the mask well defined. David also produces depth and normal maps for video. This means video creators, game developers, and animators get realistic shapes, human contours, and facial details that change with movement or lighting. One demo shows how David clearly distinguishes fine wrinkles, facial structure, even the curve of a finger or the flow of clothing. All this is powered by a dense prediction transformer behind the scenes, with 3 specialized heads working together to produce these outputs. What's more, Microsoft has released not only the model and the code, but also the data behind it. That means you can try David on your own photos or videos, or even train your own new models for other projects. The links for the model, data, and setup are right in the video description. Now, let's talk about SEC, the new standard in video object segmentation and tracking. SEC is designed to follow and segment any object in any video using simple, natural prompts. Just describe what you want to track, for example, white soccer ball, and SEC will home in on that specific item throughout the footage. Even in hectic, high-action scenes where the ball goes behind players, gets kicked across the pitch, or the camera jumps to new angles, SEC precisely keeps up with the target. This works just as well for more complex scenarios. For example, if you're editing concert footage with a dozen musicians on stage, but only want to segment the violin that belongs to the woman in a long white dress, just prompt SEC and it focuses only on the right violin, ignoring the rest, even with frequent scene changes or other violinists coming into frame. What about wild animal footage? With SEC, you can follow just one rabbit out of 100 in a crowded field or a single pony in a herd, and the AI sticks with your pick, ignoring others, even through obstructions like grass or passing hands. If a drumline performer has their hands or sticks moving in front of the drum, SEC segments just the drum, leaving out everything else. SEC's robustness becomes especially obvious compared to previous trackers like SAM2. When videos get rapid, chaotic, or switch angles quickly, older tools often lose the target or jump to the wrong object. In side-by-side comparisons, SEC keeps the right target in view, keeping identity and object focus correct even through scene cuts and momentary occlusions. In fact, scores and benchmarks show SEC consistently outperforms others in object identity, continuity, and tracking accuracy frame by frame. SEC and David both open up a range of new possibilities. For example, video creators and VFX artists can use David's segmentation and 3D analysis to quickly separate people from backgrounds, adjust depth for special effects, or create high-quality cutouts for composites. AR and VR teams can leverage the depth and normal maps to drop real people into virtual environments. Medical researchers or sports scientists can track posture, movement, and even micro-expressions with fine detail. For SEC, the ability to segment and track objects through chaos means sports highlights can focus on the right player or ball, wildlife cams can pinpoint just one animal among many, and filmmakers can add effects that follow a character throughout a movie. Even branding or advertising teams can swap product placements into busy scenes, knowing SEC will keep everything perfectly tracked. Both tools are available for download with code, models, and data ready to use. David's official Microsoft links and SEC's open Hugging Face datasets and GitHub repo are in the video description. If you want to see more AI tools for video, image, and creative work, subscribe for future deep dives and hands-on demo guides. All resources and install guides are below. Give them a try, and thanks for watching.